Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on Samsung S25. Let's begin! In order to change wallpaper, we can press and hold our finger on top of our home screen, or alternatively we can simply go to the settings, scroll down a little, go to wallpaper and style, and here's to go to this big button, change wallpapers. Here we have a list of every single thing that can possibly be a wallpaper. We can have some of the featured ones, including the interactive Samsung one. We have something from a gallery, we can create something with AI, and we have like this base graphics that also come with a normal Samsung. So if you want to know more about dynamic lock screen or, for example, create with AI, we do have a separate videos on that. But for now I will go to something from a gallery, and for example I will set this little plant as our wallpaper. I will hit done. So as you can see, we can set both to lock screen and home screen. I will disable lock screen because I only want it, or maybe, you know what, I will disable only home screen since I do want a lock screen to be different. Now I can hit next. I can also move around my little wallpaper, so I can do something like this. And I think it's pretty cool. Let's hit done. And now I have successfully changed the wallpaper. So now it's looking like that. Pretty cool. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.